so clear, I've always been falling through a life that's upside down. Somehow you turn me around. So stay another night. 'Cause all we have is time. Keep you close and savor the moment. You raise my hopes and don't even know it. In a life that's upside down, somehow you turn me around. So stay another night. 'Cause all we have is time.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to the stream. How's it going? How is it going? Let me know how you're feeling in the chat. How are we doing in the chat? A little bit late this morning, y'all. My fault, y'all. I barely slept last night. But I hope you woke up happy to be here. I hope you woke up doing well. I hope everyone here is doing well. Let's see who we got here in the chat. I gotta pull up the chat here. William, Jabrain, we got Jess, we got Player, Forex Ninja, Kana. What's up, Mal? Mal is here. Hi, Seven. What's up, Rue? Hi, Jelani. Jelani's here. Oh my goodness, Jelani's here. Hey. Hi, David. Good morning, David. Alrighty, chat. So if you take a look, actually, before we start, we gotta start off with some positivity, no matter how late we are. Let me get a 111 in the chat. 111 in the chat. Angel numbers. Positivity first, no matter what. We don't care what's going on in the market. We don't care. Not missing out on nothing. Positivity first. Let's see what we got for you. Today is March 26th. You will experience overnight manifestations, sudden positive shifts, instant materialization, unexplainable radical changes, miraculous breakthroughs, and supernatural guidance. That is beautiful, y'all. I promise you, you will receive a miracle if you believe, right? So if someone's listening to me right now and you need a miracle, you need to shift your current reality, your current mindset into you can do it and you got it, right? Because if you don't believe that you have it, then it can't catch up to you in the physical realm, right? We're in the physical realm right now. What you want, you already got. But you need it to catch up to you. In order for it to catch up to you, you need to match the energy of what you want. You want money, you need to match the energy of money. You can't be negative towards money, right? You can't say, oh, that costs too much. That's negative towards money. You got to say, I could afford it. I got this. I love money. Money loves me. I love money. Money loves me, right? Be positive with it. Don't be negative with it. Don't say, oh, people with money do this, or people only get money because of this, right? That's negative, negative, negative. Keep it positive. All right, on that note, let's head over to these charts. Yesterday, I did reveal we've been in this account for about a week and a half. At the end of this week, it will be 2 weeks, but we've had this account for a week and a half. Trying to pass this 100K. We do need to make $6,000. You see me live on stream. I had you guess the balance yesterday. I'm going to have you guess where we are now. Go ahead and take a guess in the chat. Where are we now that it's been a week and a half on this 100K combine? Go ahead and give me some numbers. How much profit did we make? Remember, we have to make 6,000 to pass, so it's not 6,000, but what number do you think we're at? It's below 6,000. Including wins and losses, where are we? Let's take a guess. See what you got for me this morning. And while I'm waiting for your guesses, let's pull up Smokey. Smokey's trade. I'm so proud, man. I'm so proud. Look. Those of you who've been members, those of you who've been learning from me every single Saturday during the masterclass, to see you be able to pull out these trades by yourself is amazing. Shout out to Smokey in the chat there. Posted this in the Discord. 5,100, 5,200, 3,600, 4,350, 5K, 3K, 4,700, 4,800, 4,600, 2,750. Some good guesses. All right, let's see who's the closest. We are at 47.27. 47.27. All right, let's see who was the closest. 47. Jabrain. Oh my goodness, Jabrain was $7 off. Wow. $7 off is crazy. Wow. So yeah, we need about 1,200 and change left to go. So I made our daily goal 1280 just to cover fees, because with fees it will probably just make it by passing. I'm sure you've been there if you passed before. When you close a trade right at the profit with the fees, you still didn't pass. So you need another trade. Good stuff. Thank you, Seven. Hey, Va. What's up, Va? So yeah, I'm just showing you how you can pass, right? Because it's one thing for influencers to get up on the internet and claim they have the best strategy. It's another thing for influencers to flex big payouts because they won the lottery and they're glorified gambling. But it's another thing for someone to sit here and show you, hey, my strategy is consistent. My risk management is consistent to the point where you can pass your challenge. You can get paid and you can move on with your life and keep upgrading yourself. Not everybody can show this. And I've been showing this since 2021. Keep that in mind. Before all these prop firms, I've been showing this before all of this. On that note, let's get to the charts. All right, let's take a look at gold. Why delete that zone? Where are we now? By the way, chat, we may have a shorter stream today, just a heads up. We may have a little bit of a shorter stream today. So as far as hitting our goal, well, hitting 1280, I mean, if we get 4 trades of 320, so about 32 points 4 times, yeah, we will we'll pass today. So like 4 $300 trades, a little bit more than 300, but you get my drift. We can do that, yeah. That'll be something, huh? We'll see. So yeah, I'm just taking a look at gold right now. We're in quite the range. Jeez. I can't tell you that I'm a fan of it. Because I'm not a fan of it. Look at its range. Ugh. It's a sideways range, right? We are bouncing off of VWAP, so let's do this. Where's the opening range? This is the opening range. It's so small. Oh my goodness. Anchor 8 o'clock open. Ah, we're inside the pinch. We're inside the pinch. I mean, if price goes bullish, it may not be a bad idea. I do see a 3-bar reversal here on the 3-minute. But we are in the middle. I have a zone right here at 30.25 and I have a zone at 30.35. Which means I'm missing a zone. Hold on. Good thing I said that out loud because I didn't realize I was missing the zone. I think that was the one I deleted by accident earlier. Okay, here we go. We have a zone here and we have a zone here. I like this 3-bar reversal. I like us bouncing off of this level. So yeah, that's why I'm saying that we could be good here to go bullish. Consolidation, this one. And we do have 9:30 opening coming up in a second as well. Let's take a look at NAS very quickly here. We literally have a minute and 15 seconds until 9:30. So I just want to take a look at NASDAQ. Let's add one of these. And yeah, I had the VWAP on because I just wanted to see where it was, but probably just gonna use this. And you know, I'm expecting a day like yesterday and Monday, a little bit slower on the setups, just so you know. So we got about 30 seconds to go. Give me 1 second, chat. I need to switch something on my screen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you right here on my face real quick. And there we go, perfect. See, that was quick, wasn't it? Wasn't that quick? Didn't even notice. Oh my goodness, I typed the wrong thing. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? All right, here we go. 9:30 opening. Coming in hot here. Again, I was looking at possible buys here on gold. I like the idea that yeah, we're gonna take a buy on gold. Our stop loss down here. 4 trades of $320. That's all we need today. You know, take that big goal of 1280, break it down into a smaller goal, right? We're breaking it down to a smaller goal. Let's see. So we can hit 320. That would be nice. Now, for some reason, we go further than that. So TP1 is going to be our goal for every trade today. And I'll put TP2 there. All right. Just make sure I'm reading that right. Is that 30.286? Good morning, Ian. What's up, Ian? Already up 280 on some Dow cells. Let's go. Look at you killing it. Taking a look at NAS here. Looks like we may be coming down. What a long wick that was. On the 3-minute here, 21 points. Top wick is wicking. Here we go. It may be heavy. We're breaking this support. It may be heavy. We're gonna zoom in here on NAS. Let's take this away. All right, chat. While we are, this might not have been too bad if we took this one, huh? While we're waiting on that, I got some quotes I want to share with you. Something for your mindset to think about. Okay. You know how we are over here. We work on your mindset on this stream. All right. I'm going to be reading off some quotes to you, and they're just quotes that I want you to think about, take into consideration. All right. Good morning, Lewis. All right, here we go. The best revenge is to simply improve yourself. Whatever you chase will run away from you, so stop chasing success and realize you already have it all. Laziness kills ambition. Anger kills wisdom. Fear kills dreams. Ego kills growth. Jealousy kills peace. Doubt kills confidence. Oh, it looks like we were stopped out of that one. That's fine. Stopped out. There we go. What was the last one I said? Doubt kills confidence. Express your love. We can't read minds. Once you carry your own water, you will learn the value of every drop. Everything in your life is a reflection of a choice that you have made or a thought you have about yourself. If you want a different result, make a different choice. Change your way of thinking. No tree, it said, can grow to heaven unless its roots reach down to hell. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, chat. You know that one already. How you handle a situation is not entirely your choice, but how you handle yourself is your choice. Be careful who you build with, because people will use you for the foundation. The road to hell feels like heaven, and the road to heaven feels like hell. Few more, y'all. Few more. One day in retrospect, the years of struggle will strike you as the most beautiful. Once the rain is over, an umbrella becomes a burden to everyone. I'm gonna say that one more time. I think I said that one too fast. Too fast. Once the rain is over, an umbrella becomes a burden to everyone. You don't see nobody carrying no umbrella or having one just in case when there's no rain, right? It's a burden to carry an umbrella. Why would I carry an umbrella here? It's not gonna rain. See, that one has so many different meanings to it. You gotta really break it down, you know what I mean? Give me 1 second, chat, because the dog is on the chair. Oh, now he jumped off. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back here. It's looking like may have a 3-bar reversal on that. It's going the opposite way now for a launch. This looks pretty good here. But where's it gonna go? Probably to 500. Thinking about taking buys here. Take it with a smaller risk. I mean, it's pumping. Let's see. Whoa, what's going on with this candle? Let's see if we can make a bottom wick here and shoot up. Multiple meetings for show. I see you, 7. Thinking about buys here. If we can flip up. We may have a good launch up here. Actually, we may go past these levels. Maybe even all the way up here. All right. A little bit lower risk. Use the 4 contract instead of a 5. Just 1 contract less. Let's see, what would be 320 would be up here. Definitely not what I want to see. I'm going to cut that trade for a $200 loss rather than 300. We took out this high and then we flipped back bearish here. Don't like that. We have to wait a little bit for another setup here. Let's see. Gold sells, take them. Daily says uptrend rejecting. Hope you took them. Okay, let's see. We got a few more quotes here. The day a blind man sees the first thing he throws away, the stick that has helped him all his life. That's true. I'll say it one more time. The day that a blind man sees, the first thing he throws away is the stick that helped him his entire life. Sometimes people think the grass is greener on the other side without you, chat. Sometimes they think the grass is greener. But it's important that you don't let them back in when they find out that the grass ain't greener on the other side. You catch my drift? Only you can allow, right? You allow people back into your power. That's on you. I ain't got no sympathy for you if you do that. I don't. Okay. Something to think about. Okay, let's see. Next one says, You think you're an introvert because you like being alone, but in reality, you just love being in peace. You're actually extroverted around people who bring out the peace. It's true. Okay, and then the last one says, an athlete won't judge you for working out. A millionaire will never look down on you for starting a business. Always remember, never take criticism from someone you wouldn't go for advice for. Right, you know, everyone's an expert on the internet, chat. People hide behind facades on the internet. But the reality is real life hits. When we're off the internet and when we're not posting, if I'm not live, when I'm not tweeting, like, the reality is reality. Your reality is your reality, right? For example, if you catch my Instagram story yesterday, I had two different stories. First one, I was driving in my car. And the second one is a picture of my protein shake. I had just finished going to the gym, still in the car. The top is off, and that's just my reality. My reality is that the top comes off on my car. What about your car? That's my reality. You know, that's the reality. When people say, Linz, get that YouTube money. Lynn, you keep getting that YouTube money, those 300 and 500 views. You think that pays for that? Well, then shit. Then how come you're not posting? Why aren't you going for 1,000 views every day? Because that clearly would pay for you to not work at your job. That would get you that, right? 1,000 views every day? That's going to get you that, right? See, and this is what I try to tell y'all. The internet is the internet, but off the internet, my reality is my reality, right? Like, I really live here. I really drive that. No matter what. No matter where the views are, no matter who says what, who says this, who says I can't trade, my reality is the same. You catch my drift? On that note, let's listen to this. Let's catch the drift. All right. I'll let you read the lyrics. I didn't play the song because of the copyright, but I'll let you read the lyrics. But yeah, go ahead and check out my Instagram story if you want to see the full videos. Don't even have a car to pull down the window. You're funny. You are funny. Oh, you want the link for the quotes? Oh shoot. I already clicked out, Seven. I'm sorry. I had clicked out when I read the last one. But you can just look up some quotes. You'll find some. Sorry about that. I didn't see the comment till now. Made 701 trade last night. Lewis, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Browser history? Yeah, I can find it. It was on Twitter. I can find it. Not Twitter, X. Why I keep calling it Twitter, chat? Why I keep calling it that? Oh, I keep calling it that. Oh, I gotta scroll a little bit to find it again. Let's see. Where was it? Where was it? Oh, I found it. I found it, Seven. Okay, Seven, here you go. I'm gonna put the link in the chat for you. I don't know anybody that calls it X. Oh, okay, so I'm not the only one that says Twitter by accident. It's hard not to say it. It's just, it's always been Twitter, right? So it's kind of hard to not say it. All right, let's see. Let's see. Ooh, I got another good quote for you. After a long streak of failures, if you're still saying it's not over and trying again, congratulations, welcome to the 1%. Yeah, it's those who don't care how many times they fail. You'll fail 1,000 times before you hit a goal sometimes. 1,000 times. Then you'll hit it. But you know why? Because you didn't give up and you believed in yourself. You believed that you can do it. People give up. People ain't doing nothing no 1,000 times. People aren't doing something 100 times. They give up. They doubt themselves. Boom, it doesn't work. It's crazy how much doubt people have in themselves. But that's just the world we live in. That's how the government wants it. They want you to be a slave mindset. They want you to be depressed. They want you to be down. They want you to eat poorly. They only want a certain percentage of people to actually do good, because then they can control you, right? You're also caught up on what's going on social media all day, fighting each other, arguing with each other, ready to react to someone and fight anyone in sight if they disrespect you. That's not what this is about. That's not what we're here on earth for. Y'all just so distracted because you're unhappy. But if you were happy, I promise you, you wouldn't be jumping the gun to just fight everybody, because you got something to lose. But a lot of people have nothing to lose, right? And that's a dangerous person to mess with. Don't mess with someone who ain't got nothing to lose now. Ain't got nothing to lose. So what am I saying here? What's the point of what I'm saying here? The point is you need to have a purpose. You need to have something to lose. Now, most people, the average person, when they have a kid, they say, now I have something to lose. But that's false. It shouldn't take you to have a kid to say, now I have something to lose. What about you? What about your soul? What about your worth, yourself? That's, you are a person as well. You were once a kid as well. You are important as well. Okay? So some things we need to remember, that we are important too. Don't leave yourself out of the equation, A lot of people leave themselves out of the equation, but they count themselves out because they've been counted out their whole life, right? Everybody has left you out of the equation. So why would you feel like you are worthy? But it's important for you to know that you don't need other people to define your worth. You don't need your parents to define your worth. You don't need your cousins, your friends, whoever. You don't need teachers, anybody. You don't need anybody, coaches. You don't need other people to define your worth, because really only you can do that. Yeah, it may feel nice to hear things from people, but you need to learn how to value yourself with just yourself. You need to learn how to enjoy your own company, Because if you don't enjoy your own company, then why would others? I know someone needed to hear that message out there today. By the way, chat, speaking of positive quotes, let's take a look at my tea. It always has something positive. Let's see. I didn't read this one yet. Well, I don't know if you could see, there's a quote. It says, your breath fills you with energy anywhere and anytime you need it. Interesting. Indeed. Jelani said, themselves though. Themselves though. We have to delete that. All right, in watch mode here, down 500. Good thing we're not risking 500 per trade. We'd be down 1,000 by now. So remember, risk management first. Process over profits. Don't worry about the drawdown of the day. Don't worry about any of that. Wait for the next setup and approach your risk like so. So what's my goal on the next setup? Well, my goal on the next setup is to make $200 to $300. Anywhere between 2 and 300, I'm happy. If it makes more than that, awesome, even better. But we want to try to make back at least half of this loss, right? So half of this loss would be about 250. So baby steps, right? Want to at least make 250 on the next trade or more, and we're happy. So if the trade goes up to 300, 400, right? We're probably going to trail it at 250 or trail it at 300. You know what I mean? Because we want to minimally at least make back half. And I do the same thing, right? If I was down 600, then I want to try to make at least 300 on my next trade. I want to make it all, at least half of it back or more. You know? All right, let's see here. I'm gonna move this right here. We're crashing down quite a bit here. Now that I'm looking at it, we kind of have a pendant, backwards pendant. Wish I saw that earlier. Everybody see that? And here is the breakout, right? So when we came up there, it was just a retest. Yep. It's just a retest. Pendant City vibes. What's up, A7? We got A7 in the chat. How's it going? Good afternoon to you. Not gonna lie, I wasn't paying attention. I would have taken this gold sales if I noticed. Hit my level and rejected. Yeah, I was paying more attention than that. I did see Jelani. Jelani did call it out. But yeah, I could see the setup here on the 15-minute. Looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. All right, so we're gonna let this sell off do its thing, and we'll have to wait for a setup after that, right? Because it's still selling off here. Derek, good morning to you, Derek. Great topic. I'd be whipping it up in the kitchen. Haven't had takeout in like 2 years. Wow. Congratulations, though. 2 years. Wow. You're saving a lot of money. Very nice. That's not easy. Yeah, chat. While I'm waiting, we had about 3 minutes till the hourly close here. So just waiting for this hourly close. Actually, 2 minutes. I'm sorry. We got 2 minutes. Let me know in the chat, what did you vote for in the poll? Do you cook or is takeout your best friend? Let me know what you vote for. And I'm gonna go feed the dogs. I'll be right back. Alright, chat. We are back. Let's see. What did you vote for in the poll? We got the new hourly candle just getting started here. Have all my meats delivered to the house. Got Chinese like 100 yards away. No chance of me giving that up. That is funny. Be whipping up my own Chinese. Got that orange chicken on lock. Oh, there you go, A7. There's an option for you. You can make your own Chinese at home, huh? Smokey, you cook almost every day. Me too, Smokey. I cook pretty much every day. That's why sometimes you guys see me order breakfast, because sometimes, especially in the morning, I mean, most mornings I cook breakfast, but it's different streaming in the morning, and you know, because then it's kind of late when I finish stream, so I'm just ready to just eat now, you know, so it's a little different. But I do cook 90% of the time, maybe 95% of the time. Takeout and frozen joints, but I whip up a few simple things. Hey, there you go. You know, honestly, it starts with simple things, and after that you can slowly branch out. Like, put it this way, if you know how to make eggs, just like scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, whatever, that's like starting slow. Learn how to make some pasta, learn how to make some pancakes. You know, once you do stuff like that, you can take that and reference it, right? You flip the pancakes, just like say like I make salmon a lot. You season it, you flip it like a pancake. Yeah, I mean, just take those simple concepts into other things. Once you do it a lot, it becomes kind of natural. You do take out on the weekend. Yeah, you can put what you made in the Discord. I cook breakfast, but that's it. I work evenings, so my dinner is pre-made. Still love my parents, so they cook dinner. Oh, you're lucky. You are lucky. They cook for you. Let's see. Oh, Amanda cooks daily. Jabrain, you're a pro. Let's go. Yeah, I cook every day too. I think. What do I want today? I mean, the only things I'll go get, like, see, like yesterday I got a protein shake. I can make that protein shake at home. I literally have all the ingredients to do that at home. But sometimes I like to get out because I work from home, you know what I mean? So after the gym, I felt like getting out, so I went out to go get the shake instead of making it at home. I'll do little things like that. You know? That's my number one. I love eating eggs. Yeah, eggs. Look, you learn how to make eggs, and if you don't know how to like cook, but you know how to make eggs, you'll be feeling like on top of the world. You'll be like, yo, I can make me some eggs. Pocket ain't Pips, what's up? How's it going? I'm doing well. How are you? Good morning, King. Yeah, 7. I bet there's a lot of things you can cook that you didn't realize is basically the same as eggs or pancakes. Literally the same. And you'll be like, wait a minute. I know I can do this the whole time. Grits. Ooh, I haven't had grits in a while. Love doing my own cooking because it's always going to taste how I want. Yeah, you don't have to complain about the seasoning, eh? Not enough or too much. Because you know how you like it, right? That's the thing with cooking for other people, though. You want to make sure the seasoning's right, or you know, it's not too much, not too little. Yeah, gold's still falling off of a cliff. All good though, all good. See if it bottoms out down here. It may bottom out down here. Still got some ways. Let's see. Well, all these are away. Very, very far away. Let me see this on the 30-minute. Let's take a look at this opening range here on NAS. Speaking of, see, now I'm getting hungry. 169 points. All right. Not too bad. I guess about the same it's been all week with this opening range. But yeah, chat, I really expect what we've had the last couple days, which is, yeah, we'll get a move in the morning, and then we just freaking chop around, and then we make another move, and then we just chop. And it's like, you gotta look at the right time, because you're gonna get annoyed with the chop. Like, the moment we look away, boom. You know how it is. The moment we look away. Right now, I'm gonna let it dance around. It's not in a place where I want to trade it. Now you want to make shrimp and grits? Just posted my healthy bowl. Let's see it. Let's see. Healthy bowl. Ah, very nice. Very nice. Yeah, that's what I honestly, my health has drastically improved by just simply making bowls. Sometimes I'll post my bowl. But yeah, I'll do like white rice, chicken, veggies. Done. And people don't know the power of that. The power of that is so good for you. Get your protein, get your veggies in, and you're good. You are good. Get your vitamins in. I promise you, when you feed your body the things that it needs, you will feel so much better. Even when you don't feel well, you'll notice, you'll be like, dang, I don't get as sick as what I used to get. Or I should be really tired right now, but I'm not as tired as what I typically would be. It's amazing, you know? Good morning, Leslie. Welcome back, Leslie. I see you. I do have a weekly level down here at NAS at 2311. So right now we're kind of dancing on it. So yeah, no plays. No plays here for me. I'm definitely going to be in watch mode with this chop. I mean, you saw it on the 1 minute. It looks a little nasty on the 1 minute. You know? So, I think we're going to play a game, chat. We're going to play a game. So everyone who's here, you came at a good time. We're going to play a game while we waste some time. Let me get it up here. All right, the rules of this game is you have to keep track of your own score. Okay, so you're going to be typing in the chat your score. All right, so for an example, I'm going to say who here has used, I'm not going to say it, but for example, if I say, hey, who used topstep? If you use topstep, you're going to give yourself a point. So you would put a 1 in the chat. If I say who here has blown an account, If you blew an account, you're gonna give yourself a point. So if you already had a 1, now you're gonna make yourself a 2. You'll put a 2 in the chat. If you never blew an account, but you did use topstep, you're gonna put a 1 in the chat because your score is still 1. Does that make sense? We good on the rules, chat? Let me get an okay in the chat if we're good on the rules. Let me get an okay in the chat. All right, everybody got that? So you're gonna add a point if you did it. If you didn't do it, maintain that score. Let's see who has the lowest and highest score. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Have you ever broken a bone? Have you ever broken a bone? 1 in the chat if you did. 0 in the chat if you haven't, because your score would be 0. You gotta be quick, chat. You gotta be quick, because I'm gonna go on to the next question. You gotta be quick. Interesting, interesting. Okay, next question. Have you ever Have you ever fired a gun? Have you ever fired a gun? Look at them zeros going up now. Okay, next question. Have you ever been inside of a limousine? Have you ever been inside of a limousine? Does COD count? Absolutely not. Does COD count? That is funny. Okay, next question. Have you ever got a tattoo? Who has tattoos? Who has tattoos? And that's the 4th question so far. I don't see any 4s yet, which is interesting. I do see a 3 though. Okay. Next question. Have you ever rode on a horse? Who here has rode on a horse? Never getting a tat? Dangling say things I haven't done. You're at 4? Okay, next question. Have you ever gotten arrested? Uh-oh. The clink clink question. Have you ever gotten arrested? Honesty is the policy here, chat. Be honest. No lying. 7 said, damn. 7. We listen, but we don't judge, chat. We listen. Remember, we listen, but we don't judge. I would have, but I ran. Look at you, Mal. Mal's on the loose. All right, next question. Have you ever got a speeding ticket? Who here has gotten a speeding ticket? 7's done everything. Speeding ticket. There's no way I still see zeros. Hold on a second. Do I still see zeros? Wait, low key, I want to see who ends this with a 0. That would be insane. There's no way. Okay, let me see. Okay. Have you ever been on a cruise? Have you ever been on a cruise? Ain't no way y'all got 0. Have you ever been on a cruise? Yo, Quet, I'm coming for you, Yo, Quet. I see that 0. I'm coming for you. Okay, I see. I know what question to ask. Let's see. Have you ever... Have you ever been drunk? That's question number 9. Have you ever been drunk? Let's see what Yoquet says. Poor Titanic was unsinkable, it sank. I just realized how retaliating, my bad. What? No, smoke. No cruise, whatever the first question was. My son got a speeding ticket, did not tell me until I got the lawyer letters in the mail. Oh no. Oh man. Oh, I got you now. I got you. No, you keep track of what you did. So if you did 1 thing, then you have a 1. If you did 5 things, you have a 5. You got to keep track. You only get 1 point per thing, y'all. I didn't ask 10 questions yet, so no one should have a 10. LOL to the stories. Let's see here. We're still chopping around, huh? Okay, next question. Have you ever been skydiving? It's an interesting one. Have you ever been skydiving? Let's see, 7, Mr. Darian, and Kamari over here with the highest numbers, huh? I think they got the highest numbers. Okay, see, 7 hasn't been skydiving. Okay. I figured not too many people did that one. Okay. Falling from the sky seems scary. It definitely does. That's for the adrenaline junkies. Okay, let's see. Do you have piercings outside of your ears? So if you have your ears pierced, that's fine. But do you have other piercings besides your ear piercings? Let me know in the chat. Do you have other piercings outside of your ear piercings? So that would be nose piercing, right? I don't know if you can see mine because it's small. I used to have 2 nose piercings, but most of y'all remember I used to have both sides done. I had a hoop on this side. You can see, oh, you can see a little bit. What am I doing? Like I can't change the camera angle. Oh, you can see it. I could switch it out for the ring though, but I like the stud for now. It's just your score, Jelani. What's numbers mean again? What? Did you just say what did the numbers mean again? No, there's no way. There's no way. Jelani. I'm gonna end the stream. What the numbers mean again? That is hilarious. Yeah, it's your score. What's up, Black? Just joined. Will we chopping today? Yeah, we chopping. We're playing a little game here in the chat. Everyone's keeping track of their score. They mean how many trades we taken so far. Okay, let's see. I gotta ask you another question here. Let's see. What question can I ask you? That was 10 questions. I was gonna only ask you 10. I guess we'll stop there. That was 10 questions. So let's see. What are the scores? What were the ending scores? Chat, can you put your score in the chat one more time for me? What were the ending scores? What did you get out of 10? The lowest numbers barely did anything. The highest numbers out of 10 did the most. 6, 7, 5, 7, 4, 2. Really, player 2. 4. Man, I never win. Wow. Okay, so it looks like most people had the highest number we have is 7. 2 out of 10. Minus 5. 8. Oh, we got 7 with all these questions. 8. Interesting. Nacelles, yeah, I see. I see it. I don't catch falling knives, so that's why we're in watch mode right now. We're just kind of watching. Look at that 3-bar reversal on the 300 level. I'm sure a lot of people got caught with that one, trying to buy that there. Yeah, let's let NAS do its thing. Hopefully it can. It's definitely going to set up something later on, but we'll see what we can find here while we're on stream. Fun game, chat. That was a fun game. We learned a little bit. A little bit. Gold's following NAS. What are you crying about? What's wrong? Y'all hear my dog over there? I think he's just bored this morning. He's been up for a little bit. Alrighty, let's see here. So we have like a pull up here on gold. Last 15-minute candle did close bullish. Hard to say if we're going to get a reversal here. Don't really have enough information thus far. We got NAS continuing to sell off here, about 86 points down from that consolidation. Wow. Well, I'll get rid of these higher zones. Ah, how come I can't get that? Come on. And we'll bring this to 200. Here we go. What a huge sell-off here. Yeah, I think we're coming down to 200. Or even further. But we got this wick right here. So that wick is definitely going to give us some trouble. Wow. I'm going to turn that off real quick. Oh, that's way up there. Okay. No fun today. No fun. Give us something. Give me something that I like. Come on. Weekly opening gap. What's your score? Oh, I didn't even make a score for myself. I don't remember. I don't remember the questions I asked. Yeah, I didn't make a score for myself. I'm sorry, y'all. I'll play with you next time. I will play with you next time. Unless somebody remembers all the questions. I'm trying to remember. I remember some of the questions. Like I definitely rode a horse a few times. Definitely have piercings outside of my ears, besides my ears. Trying to think. Definitely got a speeding ticket. Damn, what were the other questions? What were the other questions? Linz was gathering data. You're funny. One of the questions was, have you been to the White House? I'm trying to think. Well, at least, you know, at least got a 3. Well, it's got to be higher than that, though. Oh, tattoos, yep. Right, let's see here. Let's see, quite the bounce on this 250 level. Buyers are trying to step in, but I don't know if it's gonna hold. I mean, sellers came in hot here. We shall see. All right, so gold just kind of flows below structure here, and we kind of had that like retest, but it's in a tough spot. We are towards the bottom. We're not all the way at the bottom, so it's a possibility we could have room to move down, but it's also a possibility that it may start chopping around here, you know. So I think gold's in a little bit of a tough spot, so I'm just gonna watch it for now. I don't like it being in the middle of the bank zone either. If we weren't in the middle, maybe it'd be a little easier, but we're in the middle. NAS looks like it's coming up to touch that EMA here. I haven't touched it in a long time. I haven't touched it since the drop. So let's see if it touches. Let me know in the chat, have you gotten to any trades today? Have you gotten into any trades today? Well, NAS is showing off. All right, so again, we just touched the moving average again. We haven't touched it since the original drop. Keep that in mind. But that's on the 1 minute. We haven't touched it on any time frame higher than that. Pretty far away, so. $30 minutes gonna close in 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Here we go. Looks like it's gonna close as a doji. That's nice. Perhaps. Where are we at? 85? Yes. Come on, Nas, give us a setup. I'm just trying to make some money and get out of here. You know? Jeez, it's like watching paint dry. NQ reversal. 4 trades, first one had me up at 280, took 2 losses, back to break even. Now I'm up 160. Okay. It's just bouncing around there, right? Caught early gold rally, 30.32. Only that one's in the Discord. Oh yeah, I pulled up your trade, yep. Okay, let's see. See what I mean on gold? Looking like we're making a double bounce here. Can you take a little stab at gold here? Maybe $200 risk. We'll use this low. 260 risk, 260. Little 3-bar reversal here. Double bottom. Create a higher low as well. Let's see, half of this, we want at least 250 would be like right here, right? So that would be the goal. At least 250. After that, I mean, anything after that is welcome, of course. And then TP2. Yeah, TP1 would be half of the losses. TP2 would be all the losses. I'm saying all the losses like it's that much. It'd be the full 500. I don't know why I said it like that. Hypothetically, just because this is a higher low, I'm just hypothetically seeing where this lines up. Interesting. All right, looking at NAS as well. Again, we're back on that moving average. We should probably put our stop loss below this level. That would make more sense, right? So we made a higher low. Okay, let's see. All right, look at this 3-minute candle. Coming on down here. See on the 5-minute though. Again, this is a new 30-minute candle. Keep that in mind. Previous candle closed below 300, but it also closed as a doji, so we could be bottoming out here. on a higher time frame. But we'll see it on the hourly. Because on the hourly, we have a pretty strong area over here. You can see that we're bouncing out of there, of course. Expect it to bounce out of there, but we don't know if this is the reversal or if this is just like a bounce for a pullback to continue down, you know? So that's the tricky part here. A little tricky. Just a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna choose to wait it out a bit, but it definitely is a bounce type of area. I'm gonna put it on a 30-minute. See where the bottom of that opening range is again. Oh, we're pretty close to it. We're only 20 points away from it. So yeah, I'm gonna be interested to see what happens when we touch the bottom of this opening range. Are we just tapping it? Are we gonna reject it? Are we gonna touch it? You know, so many questions, right? Because if we're pulling away from it, then we may be continuing back down. So yeah, lots of hypothetical questions on NAS. There's a lot going on here. So yeah, those are some things I'm looking at. Just give you some visuals so that you know. Would make it better is if I put that box back. Put the box back. You know, and then we bounced out of here. Then I probably say, yeah, now we may get the reversal. You know what I mean? If we come back down into here. But it would be nice, but it doesn't mean it's gonna happen, right? Appreciate the visuals, no problem. Oh, we're in profit on Go. I wasn't even paying attention. See, I'm so concentrated on NAS, so tunnel visioned. Did not even realize we're in profit on Go. So again, TP1 should be about half of today's losses. TP2 should be all of today's losses. And yeah, I mean, that's what I'm looking for on gold. Now, if we do continue up higher, where do I think it can ultimately go? Probably just back up to those support levels. We have a daily level right here. Like if we continue up, I'm thinking right around here for 780, and maybe even right here for 1150. But I'm thinking 780, honestly. So we may throw TP12 type of day. That would be nice. That would make up the losses and put us up like $200 or something. I like that we closed above the moving average here. Got about 40 seconds left on this 5-minute candle though, so because of the chop and the bipolar slow volume, I'm not gonna move the stop loss just yet. To break even, I'm gonna wait it out a bit, but what I will do is slightly move it up to 240 instead of 280. You know, I'll do that slightly, right? And I am thinking about increasing risk. Yeah, we're gonna increase risk here. And we're gonna move this up some. About 420 risk. Alright, we're gonna move this up to about 420. Yeah, increase risk because we may have some good. Whoa, 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 whoa. May have some good potential on this one to actually get to TP12. So I want to take advantage of that. See, that'll be 312, that'll be 820, and this will be 1380. 1380. Okay, and I like this bottom wick, so I'm gonna move risk up a little bit, back up to 280. So risking the same, 280, right? Risking the same that we were originally risking here. And if we can hit TP1, I'd like to move stops to break even, of course. Let's see if we can hit TP1, push through TP1. Now, because I added risk, I'm gonna move this up here. This is where it's at. Because I added risk, TP1 is gonna be a little higher than half the losses now, right? I may just leave it like this for a little while, chat. I'm really trying to go for 1380. I mean, if we get the full TP here on 1380, it'll be 1380 minus the loss. It'll be 861 on the day. It'll be 861 if we get TP12 today. So what's 1280 minus 861? That means we only need $419 to pass. So let me repeat that again. If we smash TP12, the full TP, then we're only going to need $419 to pass today. Well, not just today, but just in general. That'll be something, huh? What a trade that would be. Making back the drawdown of the day, plus putting us in a position where we're one trade away. TP1 smacked in the face. Smacked in the face there on the TP1. And then what happened? We can't hold up our end of the bargain. All right, we're gonna move stops to break even. You know the rules. You know the rules. So now it's a risk-free setup. It is indeed risk-free. You okay over there? Now let's see what happens here. We got a new 5-minute candle. See if we can break through this resistance. Definitely having trouble breaking through this resistance. We gotta get a nice push here. Be nice if we had some big buyers in this trade with us, right? It would shoot straight up. But yeah, it's good to be at break even, especially when you're in drawdown for the day. So remember, trade management first, process over profits. I didn't just initially enter this trade with buy, 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 buy. I entered with a buy, manage the risk, see an opportunity to add to the position, where I could drag my stop loss up a little bit, and executed that, right? Don't like the hesitation at this resistance, but hey. See if we can get a push here now. New 3-minute candle. Lots of hesitation on these candles, eh? Jeez. Gold's gonna be chopped. We may have to take some money, chat. Come on, give us the push. Give us the push. Let's see, can we get some hype in the chat? Can we get some hype in the chat? Can we hype it up? Let's see if we can get it pushed. Every time I have y'all hype it up, y'all push the trade to TP. So let's see if we can get... Thank you, chat. Thank you, chat. Go ahead and spam up the hype in the chat. I'll tell you, every time y'all do that, y'all just push the trade. There we go. Up 360. We got 2 contracts on a GC here. 2 contracts. The pump worked. I'll tell you, it works. It works. It works. All right, let's trail this because we don't want to leave with nothing. We need to at least make back half that loss. So I'm thinking... Oh, 250 may be too close. 260. 240. 30, 25. Whoa. What are we up? 420. All right, at least half the loss, trailing at least half. Okay, a little less than half. We should put at 260 on 260. 25.7. Say it then. Who to go? Oh no, we can't play that. We can't play that. We can't play that. But we are gonna play some future though. Let's get us some W's in the chat for this setup. Let's get some W's. Struggling to get up there. She's struggling to get up there, but she could do it. TP2. Come on, TP2 for us. $800 trade. Can we get the TP2? We are up 26 points. Just want to get at least 40 points. If not 70. Can we get to TP2? Breakout season. Come on. Come on, come on. We got to get there. I caught a shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Come on. TP2 here. Pump go to buy. That's crazy. Come on, TP2, come on. 10 points away from TP2. I repeat, we are 10 points away. Can we get up 10 more points? That's all we want, 10. And don't get me wrong, chat. Like I said, we're not leaving with nothing. We just did all this hard work. We're up 560. I mean, come on, we're up 560. Don't want to leave with less than 400. All that work. At least 400. What's that? 26.4. At least 400. Alrighty. Alrighty. We will take it. We are now down 122. Beautiful, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. So, process over profits, right? We're not focused on the drawdown. We're focused on the setup, executing it. We had a good dip here. We added some risk, moved our stop loss up a little bit, slowly by slowly, made sure we left with some type of profit, right? Everybody see how that's done? Real simple, right? Appreciate the W's there, chat. And remember, it's, you know, this stream isn't for you to copy my trades. This stream is for you to see my thought process, right? That's the beauty of these streams. What is the thought process behind a full-time trader? How do they think? How do they deal with drawdown for the day? How do they deal with when they're close to a goal? How do they navigate this market on today? Right, that's the goal of these streams, because if you can figure out or see how someone thinks, it can take you so far. So far. All right, let's take our time here. Jeez, now it came all the way down. Damn sure should have closed at the 580, huh? It's all good. Oh, so NAS came back down and touched that level like I mentioned. This may be good for buys here. Yeah, we're gonna take a buy in NAS. We talked about that setup earlier. We came right back down and touched the line to the T. Let me draw it for you again so you can see it. Remember I talked about when we were here, if we can come down and push out of here, then okay. Maybe that could be the play, right? $28-point risk. Bottom of the range is right here, so if we push up through that range, it may be about here. But what's the what's this look like on the 1 minute? Or hold on, what's this look like in here? Not too strong with that. I want to see, so to add positions to this, right? I'd want to see like a dip or something. Because see how this is just pushing straight up? Don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. Like, yeah, we're pushing straight up, cool, but you know, we can close right now and be in profit for the day, but I want to see it kind of dip and go, then I can add to it. You know what I'm saying? All right, finally touching that VWAP again. I mean VWAP, oh my goodness, the moving average, that's not the VWAP. This is the VWAP. Way up here, which is that target up there. All right, look at that closure. I like the closure. Pretty strong closure there. It's a good closure. Okay, here we go, the new candle. See how we're dipping down now? I want to see some dips before I add to this. Heck yeah, I appreciate it too. Sorry, y'all, I know I'm missing some chats here. Have a great day. See you, Leslie. Let's go. I wish I traded go, but I'm in NAS buy. You're in NAS buy. Nice. There you go. Okay, let's see. Testing 300 here. If we can hold 300. We'll probably go. This flips up bullish. I'm gonna add to this position. But where would we be? A little too close for comfort. Entry would be right at 300. Watching this very closely here, determining if I want to add or not. What's the new 5 minute? Oh, this is the new 5 minute. Alrighty. Closure in 30 seconds on the 3 minute candle. Again, yes, we could have closed above break even but in the green for the day, but you know, trading is about taking chances, and I'm taking a chance to see if this trade will go in my favor and see if I can add to it, take advantage of it. So. Okay, I like that bounce sort of there. But is it enough? We can get back up to 300 again. Let's see, where did I move my stop? Okay, yeah, let's add to this. I'll move my stop. Honestly, I may just move it right there. 174, that is not a bad risk. Oh my goodness, we could add one more. But I'm not gonna do that because now it's gonna move our average price way up. Way up. Wow, what a risk. 10-point risk? Maybe a little too tight though. We should drag it a little lower. Maybe about 275 area. Probably be a good area. 275. Not giving it enough room to take some bounces here, you know. All right, let's see. TP wise, let's talk about TPs here. So if I can get the calculator out, the goal of the day is 1280. Half of that would be 640, but we are down 125. So 765 would be a goal to hit half of our goal today. 765. That would be a major goal there. What's half of 765? 382 would be half of half. 382. All right, chat. So TP1 would be like a quarter of the goal done, like 1/4. TP2 would be halfway done to the daily goal. And we'll make TP12 the goal, right? $14.05. Right here. Would be passing, I believe. What are we gonna call this? We're gonna do past. Would be passing. All right, are we ready? Are we ready? Are you gonna take partials? No, because that now I'm not gonna make my full TP, right? When you take partials, you end up with less. So partials for me only work if I'm trading big sizes. Like if I'm trading big sizes, yeah, I'll take partials. But these are small sizes. I'm already not trading much. You know what I mean? Like if I'm trading NQ, not micro, but if I'm trading NQ, then yeah, I mean, once I'm up a couple points, I'm already up 500 or 1,000 or 1,500. So yeah, I would take partials for sure. All right, let's see. What are we thinking, chat? What do y'all think? You think we can do it? Do you think we can do it? It's a tough setup. Tough setup. Very chopped. Wow, we damn near got to the high of that wick. Didn't even touch the high. Honestly, I feel like it could get to TP2, but as far as TP12, TP12 is really a long shot on this setup. I believe it could get to TP2, but up here is the way the market's looking today. It's looking a little tough. Not gonna lie, it is looking like a tough pass. We'll see. We will see. So we'll be managing this trade. Right now we're pretty close to the entry and kind of chopping around it, so I'm not moving stops to break even just yet. I'd rather us break above that resistance, get to TP1 or something, you know. Because man, sellers are loving this 300 level today. We're just fighting them on this 300 level today, you know. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to secure stops a little bit higher here and move them at 170. 170. So risking 170 on this. Not too bad of a risk, right? Minimizing risk here. Got a new 3-minute candle now. That candle just closed. Keeps bouncing off of that moving average on the 3-minute. 5-minute hasn't even touched it yet. But we were really struggling on the 3-minute to stay above it. Move this up for 118. This 3-minute candle should be fine. 118, 286. All right, and that should be good. Don't trade gold, but does it correlate with NAS? Yes and no. Yes and no. I wouldn't trade correlations though, because whatever's going on in the world, and when it comes to volume and stuff like that, things are going to do what they do, as you can see in these volatile markets. Sometimes they correlate, sometimes they move the opposite. So yeah, you can't really go off of that too much. Made 2% AU, I'm done. Call it a day once you get that win. Nice. It's 2%. It's good. Here we go. We're starting to push up to 310 again. Can we hold it? You know what time it is, chat? We may have to get some hype in the chat, because every time we get hype in the chat, what happens? Let's see if it works this time. Can we get some hype in the chat? Can we get some hype in the chat? Let's see if y'all can make it. Let's see. Can we get it going here? We got a closure above. Okay. That's something. We got a little something. Little something. That's good for buys, but we'll see what happens. We'll see if it holds. They are not trying to sell this off here. I'm going to move stops to break even because we got a closure above. So right here, we're either making it or breaking it here. Either it's going or it's not. This is the determination spot. This is where it's going to break out or not break out. Right here, right now, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Either we're getting it or we're not. Decision making time. Risk-free trade. Let's see if we can get the push. We're going to take all the risk off the table. Like I said, right here, it's either going or it's not. That's a good stop loss for break even here, right under this. That's perfect. Perfect. Couldn't get no more perfect than that. Up about 246. Again, looking for TP1 will put us up, I think, a quarter of the goal. Shoot, chat, I gotta get the calculator again. I forgot. What did I say? 1280 times 3 So that first TP's got to be 445. Is that first TP 445? I don't put it too close. 445 is up here. Okay, it's a little lower. It should be like right here. So right here would be 25% of today's goal. That includes the loss. Okay, I see. Wow. Wow. Don't do that. Wow. Nas. That's how we're gonna be? That's how we're gonna be today? We're gonna be like that? Wow. I see how it is. True colors show, chat. True colors show. Wow. I gotta get a soundbite for that. Just wow. We're about to make a new soundbite. All right, let's see here. Give it about 30 seconds. It should get a push here if it's gonna push. All right, made another bottom wick here. So let's see, where's our 125? Right here. Okay, I'm gonna trail it at least break even for the day, I guess. 302. At this point. Alrighty. Alright, we're gonna reset. Jeez. Jeez. So much chop for what? 15-minute candle's gonna close in like a minute. This was terrible. Don't tell me it's gonna go now. Well, chat, pretty much back at break even. We were down 500 today. Pretty much made that back, so that's good. As far as this trade goes, it's quite the chop, if you ask me. I believe if it was gonna go, it would have went already, but you can't always predict chop. I like that little liquidity take there. I may give it another chance, but jeez, like they're really trying to hold it at this 300 level. We break this high. Let's see if we can break that high. Price can't break these highs, then I'm gonna leave it alone. Re-entry? Yeah, maybe. We can break these highs. Gold reversal. You like this song, Terrence? Can we break these highs? If we can break these highs, I'm fine with re-entering. I don't have a problem with that. How much would that be though? Up 17.
What will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw.
We can break these highs. Let's see. Probably double up on risk too. Double up on risk, and then what do we need? 60 points? 60, 62. The patience, huh? The patience today. Will we get a re-entry? Will we pass the combine today? It's only been a week and a half in this combine. Will we get the re-entry? And will that entry pass the combine? That's what we're trying to figure out. Let's see. We break these highs. I like it. Will we pass today? All right, there goes one high break. What the hell? What was that? I'll put on the 5 minutes so I can see a little better. Very close. I mean, even if we don't get 60 points, 50-point bomb would be nice too. Look at the 50 points. Can we break this high? Jeez. It's like we're asking for too much. We're asking for too much, chat. We're asking for too much. Can we break this high? I think that wick broke that high, right? Certainly did. Spiked above it. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. All right. We are in there. We are in there. Stop loss is going to be below here. Can we pass today, chat? Can we do it? Can we do it? That would be passing. Jeez, look at this 5-minute candle here. We already got 2 taps in here already. We don't need a 3rd tap. We don't need a 3rd witness, all right? Chill out, Nas. We don't need 3 witnesses. We got 2 wicks already retested in this institutional candle. We don't need 3 people. What is going on? Knock it off and go up already. Come on. Knock off the nonsense. Chat, what was the reason?
What was the reason?
Why did we need 3 witnesses?
Just explain the reason. What was the reason, bitch?
I'm just trying to understand. Why we gotta be extra? I'm just saying. I see what I see. We got 3 witnesses. There's no need for it. Hey, Anchor. Nice rejection. Yeah. Oh, that's it, chat. Stopped out of that one. Stopped out of that one. Well, I told you I wasn't going to be on long today. I think we're going to cut it there. I do have to go. I'm probably not going to take a look till later on. Although I don't think I'm going to be able to get on later on today, huh? But yeah, I'll take the L, and I'm gonna get off of here now, chat. It's been a little rough looking for some setups here for me today, so we'll call it a day. Now we're like 1,500 away from passing, but that's fine. Alrighty. I hope you all enjoyed the stream today, though. Hope you all enjoyed the stream. Those of you with the E-Light session, I'll catch you later on tonight. And everyone else, I'll see you in the morning. All right. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Don't forget to smile. Don't forget to be positive. And I will catch you later. Thank you so much, y'all.